Hello, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing here. We are still looking at our Google checklist for e-commerce. Today's item, checklist item number 18, is asking whether you are using your keywords in your ad copy. There are multiple reasons for doing this. The main reason is that if somebody's searching for a particular keyword, particular item, say for example ladies running shoes, and they don't see that keyword in the ad, then they're much less likely to click on that keyword, on that ad, because it's kind of not going to be as relevant. So if I'm searching for pink ladies running shoes and I see an ad that says pink ladies running shoes, then I'm going to be drawn to that ad because it contains the keywords and I'll think that's the relevant ad, that's the one I want to click through. So it improves the click-through rate and encourages people to click through on your ads. It's also part of, helps with your quality score, your keyword quality score, because obviously click-through rates are one of the elements of that. Now, of course, you also do need to think about having the right landing page. You need to send them to a page which contains pink running shoes, otherwise they're not going to hang around, they're going to leave and go back to the search results. But in order to give a better user experience and to improve your quality scores and improve the overall performance of your account, you need to make sure you are including your keywords in your ads, preferably in the headline and maybe in the display URL and elsewhere. Don't keyword stuff, but make sure you've got those relevant keywords contained in your ads so that people will want to click on your ad and want to come to your site, hopefully to purchase from you. So that's it for today. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions, or click the link below to download the entire checklist, and subscribe to the my YouTube channel here, and we'll get notified when I post new videos. And if you have any topics you'd like me to cover, post that in the comments below and I'll do my best. Okay, take care now. Bye bye.